The novel thing about large language models is that one model can be used for a variety of tasks. Because they have been trained on such large datasets with so many parameters, they are able to learn a lot. Let's run through some examples of the kind of things large language models excel at. The first is content creation. Large language models can write articles, blog posts, or even creative stories. They generate text that reads like it was written by a human author, making them handy tools for content creators. LLMs can also translate text from one language to another. You can type in a sentence in one language, and the model will provide a translation in your desired language. Many translation apps on your phone will use a large language model behind the scenes to provide real-time translations when you travel or communicate with people who speak different languages. LLMs are also great at answering questions for you. You can ask a model questions on various topics, from historical facts to solving math problems, and they'll do their best to provide accurate answers based on their extensive knowledge. You can also use LLMs to create chatbots and virtual assistants that can hold conversations with users and customers, answering common queries and assisting with tasks like setting reminders or finding information online for you. LLMs can even analyze text. So, for example, they can pull out the sentiment of a text, determining whether a piece of writing is positive, negative, or neutral in tone. This is a useful skill for businesses to gauge customer feedback or for tracking public sentiment on social media. Furthermore, large language models can take long articles or documents and generate concise summaries, making it easier to understand the main points without having to read the entire text. Another thing LLMs can do is content recommendations. They power recommendation systems suggesting movies, books, articles, or products based on your preferences and past interactions. For programmers like ourselves, large language models can also assist by generating code snippets for specific tasks, helping with debugging, or explaining complex programming concepts. In healthcare, these models can assist doctors by analysing medical records, suggesting possible diagnosis, and even staying updated with the latest medical research. In the legal field, these models can review documents, contracts, and case histories to provide lawyers with quick insights and help identify relevant information. And if you work in marketing, LLMs can analyze customer data to help businesses create personalized marketing campaigns, recommending products or services based on the individual customer preferences. These examples showcase the incredible versatility of large language models. They are like the Swiss Army knives for language-related tasks, able to assist in a wide range of fields, from content creation and customer service to healthcare and beyond.